Welcome, everyone. Today, we are going to learn the names of beautiful flowers in English. Flowers are colorful, pretty, and smell very nice. So let's learn these flower names together. Rose. This is a rose. A rose is very beautiful and has a sweet smell. Sunflower. This is a sunflower. This flower faces toward the sun. Marigold. This is a marigold. This flower is used for decoration. Cherry blossom. This is a cherry blossom. This flower blooms in spring. Hibiscus. This is a hibiscus. This flower is red and very beautiful. Tulip. This is a tulip. This flower comes in many colors. Jasmine. This is jasmine. This flower has a very sweet smell. Arabian jasmine. This flower has a beautiful fragrance. Tuberose. This is tuberose. This flower has a sweet smell. Water lily. This is a water lily. This flower grows in water. Lotus. This is a lotus. The lotus is our national flower. Daisy. This is a daisy. This flower is small and beautiful. Lily. This is a lily. This flower is beautiful and fragrant. Orchid. This is an orchid. This flower looks very beautiful. Dahlia. This is a dahlia. This flower is big and colorful. Carnation. This is a carnation. This flower is often given as a gift. Chrysanthemum. This is a chrysanthemum. This flower blooms in winter. Gladiolus. This is a gladiolus. This flower grows on a long stem. Safflower. This is a safflower. This flower is used to make color. Kadam flower. This is a kadam flower. This flower blooms in the rainy season. Butterfly pea. This flower is blue in color. Flame tree flower. This flower fills the tree with red color. Palash. This is a Palash flower. This flower is red-orange in color. Night jasmine. This is night jasmine. This flower falls to the ground in the morning. Wildflower. This flower grows naturally in the forest. Night-blooming jasmine. This is night-blooming jasmine. This flower spreads fragrance at night. Crepe jasmine. This flower is white and beautiful. Orchid tree flower. This flower looks very beautiful on the tree. Cobra saffron. This flower is small and fragrant.